Hi, my name is Silas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Mangreens before actually you order the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Mangreens is that you be careful with the website you're going to order from, because Mangreens is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. In addition, on the official website you will find several real testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles and sources on which the production of Mangreens was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, Mangreens is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is Mangreens? And does it actually work? And the answer is, yes. Mangreens works, and, after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will to help you in restoration of libido and virility. That's because the Mangreens is the first all-natural nootropic. This tonic was designed for men's strength and virility similar to that of a stallion. Mangreens focuses on tackling problems with erectile dysfunction, lack of sexual appetite and premature ejaculation. With Mangreens you will get the following benefits: increased libido and sexual potency. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process. Also, for Mangreens to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Mangreens has no side effects since it is natural. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural. The formula contains natural ingredients such as organic spirulina powder, maca root extract, beetroot powder, turmeric and many others, natural elements rich in great properties, 100% of natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. Remembering that all these elements effectively contribute to the natural production of libido. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Mangreens, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test Mangreens for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the ClickBank platform, great platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions via email. At the time of purchase, check if there are any bonuses available on the official website. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Mangreens from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Mangreens actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of Mangreens for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.